Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Siri not working on your iPhone. So, first thing you want to check is your internet connection. Siri requires an active internet or cellular connection to work. To ensure you're connected, swipe down from the top right hand side corner of your screen and check that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on and working properly. Once confirmed, the next step is to make sure Siri is on. Open up Settings. Inside Settings, scroll below, then tap on Siri. Inside here, simply tap on Talk to Siri and make sure you select these two buttons. And also make sure press side button for Siri button is turned on. After ensuring Siri is enabled, test it by pressing and holding the side button for a few seconds, and if Siri responds, everything is working correctly. If it doesn't, you can try force restarting your iPhone. To force restart your iPhone, quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo appear. Then release the button. Once your iPhone restarts, you can try using Siri again and it should be working normally now. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.